Hello guys! Today I'll review a new vacuum cleaner from Dreame company, which can perform not only dry cleaning but also wet cleaning, so we can mop the floor with it. So let's take a closer look at it and see how it performs. Let's go! The instruction is multilingual, clear and detailed. Here are the differences between this model and more advanced Dreame H11 Max. The body of the cleaner is made from solid and durable plastic, which is pleasant to touch. Silver part of tube is from aluminum. The body has IPX4 protection level. On the handle there is on-off button, suction level button and a self-cleaning button. The cleaner has two big rubberized wheels and two small ones. There is a display which shows the main information. At the back of the cleaner there is a voice prompt button.
Deutsche, Francés, Español, Italiano, Ruski, Thai, English, low volume, high volume, voice prompt off, voice prompt on.
The cleaner has two tanks for clean and dirty water. It's easy and handy to remove and install them. Producer claims that the clean water tank of 900 mm covers up to 160 square meters in the lowest water flow mode. By the way, all tests in this review will be done in turbo suction mode. The cleaner fixes well in vertical position and doesn't fall off. It's important not to tilt it too much or lay it flat in order to avoid water leakage into a cleaner. The cleaner can be used only on non-carpeted floor surfaces. Theoretically, the cleaner can be used only for dry cleaning, but it is supposed to be used for both dry and wet cleaning at the same time.
Standard mode, turbo mode.
The cleaner copes well with sweeping. It can clean not only dust and other small rubbish, but also absorb water or other liquid. The only moment I don't like is that it's impossible to clean up hard to reach areas, as you can see on the video. The noise of this vacuum cleaner is around 60 decibels. It took 14 minutes to clean up a flat of 70 square meters and the battery discharged from 100 to 42%. Also, when I cleaned up 39 square meters, I had to clean up a dirty water tank and refill clean water tank. Here is what the cleaner looks like after a good cleaning. Regarding the battery life, one full charge should be enough for cleaning around 120 square meters in turbo mode. It takes 2 hours and 40 minutes to get the battery charged. There is one-click self-cleaning function, which you can use if the device has more than 10%, or if necessary you can clean it manually. So, among the advantages, I would enumerate high quality material, good build quality, easy and handy to use, and that it can perform wet and dry cleaning of high quality at the same time. The only thing I don't like is that it cannot be used in hard to reach areas. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in comments. See you next time.